Okay. Hello. Today we're going to learn on Kcse Computer Studies Database Paper 2, which was done in the year 2011. The database we'll be looking at. Okay, you can read the questions and then we do together. The data in the table below was extracted from a survey data on employment. The first table is employee table, which contains the name, year of birth, employee ID number, employer ID, job category. The second table will contain employment type, which is job category and job description. The third table will contain employers table, which is composed of employer ID, employer name. As you can see the three tables, you must identify the data type in each column. For example, the column of name, this one is a text. Year of birth will be number, employee ID will be number, the employee ID will be number, and then employee ID will be also a short text because it has 01, 04, yes. And then the job category, the data type, this one is a short text. The second table, job category, is short text, this column and this column. Third table, employee ID, is short text and short text. Let us read the first question. Create a database named employment to store the data above. We are supposed to create a database which is called employment. Let us, in our database, click here to the blank database. After clicking the blank database, you call it what? Let us check in the question. It is supposed to be employment. Now we type employment, and then we just simply create employment. Let us replace because I have already done somewhere. And then we create the three tables. The first table is employee ID, the employee table, the employee right click, and then design view. It is called employee table. In employee table, the first data type here, the first field is called name. We rename this one to be name, and then we change this one to be a short text. The second name cannot be a primary key, just remove first. The second one is year of birth. This one now will be a number. Third one is employee ID number. This one will be what? A number. Next one is employer ID. This one again, let us check the data type. This one will be just a short text. It's okay. Next one is job category. This one will be what? A short text. That is correct. Let us save our table. So in this case, we can have employers with the same name, but you cannot have the employees the same ID number. So simply the employee ID number will be a primary key. Save our table, close. The second table is what? The employment type. So I right click, create here, and then another table. Yes, right click, design view. So this table is called what? Employment type. Okay, the first field is job category. The job category will just simply be a short text. The second field there is what? Job description. This one will be simply a short text. Job category thing is a primary key. Yes, it is a primary key. Okay, save, close. Third table is employers table. Employers table, create a table. It's called the right click design view, employers table. In employers table, the first field is what? Employer ID. Employer ID. This is just a short text, sorry, this is a short text. The next one is employer name. Employer name. These are short text. Simply save, close. The next thing in the question, okay, is create a relationship between the tables. Create a relationship between tables. So we have different ways of creating a relationship. Let us create the normal way, database tools. Relationship, just drag and then drop that table, drag and then drop, drag and then drop. You have the three tables. These three tables. So we want to link them. You have job category. You drag, drop there, and force this one. Join type maybe to be 2. Create. The second one is the employee ID. The reason why this relationship is okay is because it has the same data type. Then create. Okay, save our relationship. Let us move to the next one. Use form to enter data. Before that, let us check this table. You have job employment type, you have job category. Want to avoid duplicating of data or retyping each and every time, we just be selecting using our mouse. Very simple. In employee table, right click design view, job category, you come here to look up. You want to look values from another table, combo box, and then our table is called what? Our table is called the employment type. Employment type, you add. I'm interested only with job category. Save, close. These are the other fields you look, and then in employee ID, look up again. A combo box. Row source will be okay. Employers table. I add that table. The adding. I'm interested in the employee ID. Save. Close. This one will help us very greatly to prevent retyping. Okay. The next one, that means that you are being told here use form to enter data into the tables. Just create a form, create form, right click, and then design view. We want to add some controls in our form. In form design, you add this button. Adding a button which is called what? Record save. Next text, just type the save. Okay, and then finish. The second button, save, record operation, delete record. Next text, it will be a text, and then what? It will be finish. And then highlight this one. It is not even necessary to apply some formatting that not instructed in the question. So arrange, then replace it with tabular. To be just, you can apply some formatting if necessary. Let me show you home. You can apply a text, maybe a font type, Arial black, and then the field, maybe a yellow color if you like. Okay, let us save our table. It will be employee form. Okay, save, close. second one, create. We'll have to click this table and then create form. Right click first, design view. No, I'm not restoring the values in the table. So come to this form, for example. I don't want to add this button again. Design view. Control C. Close the form. And then this one, Control V. Okay, save the employment form. Employment. Yes, no problem. Third one, create form. Right click, design view. Delete this part. Control V. Then you say this one to be employers what? Form. Okay. Save. Close. In our form, I'm just seeing a problem employee table. Design view. Just designing this one. Employee form. Okay. Save. Close. The employee table design view. This one here of bad default value should be just empty. Employee edition, the default value should be empty. Okay, let us save, close. Employment form is okay. The next question is asking us how to use form to enter data into the tables. Let us fill this one. Employers form. Employers form. Employers form. The first is what? Employee ID is 01, 02, 01, type 01. Employer name is who? Is Kcse. Save. The second one is 02 Mombwa. 02 Mombwa. Save. Third one is 03. The name I have forgotten. Let me check. Omoyo. Just save. The fourth one is 04 Roishiro. Save. The fifth one is 05 Manyumba. 05 is called Manyumba. Okay, so let us close our form. Close this one first. Okay, the second form will be is this one job category, that is employment type form. Employment form. I just rename this one first. Close this one. This is employment type form. Employment type form, that is okay. Double click. The first one, job category will be what? GK1. And the description here will be cashew. Yes. Cashew. Next one is GK2 temporary. GK2 is called temporary. Okay, third one is GK3 contract. That is GK3 contract. The last one is GK4 permanent. GK4 is called, job description is permanent. Okay, close our form. The next one is employee form. Let us check. Employee, you have Eric, 1980. Eric was born in the year 1980. And then employee ID number is 13144. 13144. Employee ID, employee ID is employee ID. Yes, employee ID is what? 01. 01 I just select instead of retyping, and then job category GK4. Just selecting by my mouse. GK4 save. The second one is Fred 1970. Fred was born in the year 1970. Then employee ID number is 11100. 11100. Employee ID 04 GK3. 04 GK3. Save. Third is Jane 1984. Jane was born in the year 1984. Employee ID is 4010. 14010. 4010. Hope you are together. If you got lost, kindly pause and then just try again. 4110. Employee ID 02 GK1 job category. 02 GK1. 02 GK1. Save. Next one is Brian 1976. Brian, year of birth is 1976. ID number is what? 12110. 12110. Employee ID for Brian is 05 GK1. 05 GK1. I save. Next one is Anne. Your birth is what? 1973. 1973. Employee ID is 11410. 11410. The category 03. The employee ID 03, and then GK2 03. Then GK2 for job category. Save. Next is Kate. We have Kate. Kate was born in the year, for Kate was born in the year 1968. 1968. Employee ID number is 10570. 10570. The ID is what? 04, then GK3. 04 GK3. This one has helped us a lot. Instead of continuous typing, just select using our mouse. The next one is Ali. Ali was born in the year 1990. 1990. Then what else? Employee ID number is 11040. 11040. And then employee ID 05, and then the category GK3. 05 GK3. Save. Next one is what? Janet. Your birth for Janet is what? Janet 1998. 1998. Employee ID number is 15978. 15978. And then employee ID is 03. 03. Job category is for Janet is GK2. GK2. Save. Next person is Peter. Then your birth for Peter is 1992. 1992. employee ID number is 17192, 17192. Employee ID is 02, job category GK4, 02 GK4. Save. The last one is Mav. Was born in the year 1993. Employee ID number 18965, 18965. Employee ID 05, job category is GK4. This has made our work easier when we close our form. What else you can see? Let us check together. Employer table is already filled, and then employment type table is already filled. Employers table is already filled. Remember, you can use your form to fill the table. Let us close off. Okay, let us read the next question. We have just used form. Enter data. Generate report to display the name, year of birth, age, and employer's name for the employees who will be over 30 years old by the year 2012. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to create a query for this one first, and then after creating a query for this one, this question, we use the query to create a report. Okay, you can see here. Let us create a query design, and I'm interested in all tables. No problem. I drag and let's check which one is which one. We are being told to use what? The first one is display the name, so I'm interested in the name. Double click. Next one is what? Year of birth. Double click year of birth. Next one after year of birth is age. Age will be calculated field. Age, so built age will be, okay, let me place here so that we can see together. Age will be what? Age will be by the year what first? Let us check. By the year 2012. Okay, so it will be 2012 subtract square bracket year of birth, year of birth, close the square bracket. Okay, we can run and then we check. SQL statement contain ambiguous names, so let us check first, then run later. Employer name is from this table. What else? Employer name for the employees who are over 30 years old. So it means there is a table here which is not in use, so I delete that so that it will not be ambiguous lint. You can see it has calculated the age. Okay, design view again. What else are we asked to do? We are supposed to generate a report to display the name, year of birth, age, and employee's name. Employees will be over 30 years by the year 2012. So age criteria, the criteria here is greater than 30 because years we are being told is that. Let us run and then we check. These will be the employees will be greater than 30 years by that time. And then what we are supposed to save this one as what? We are not, it is not specific now. We can save it as age over 30 years. Query, can save over 30 years. Query. Okay, that is okay. We save, we close, and then use this query to create a report directly in our report. And then that we are finishing from 1. From 2 is asking us compute the mean age of employees on the report we have created. mean age. So we are supposed to create, right click, design group, and then we add here group age, then here come here to more option, and then totaled, we are interested with age, and then it is what we're supposed to do, a sum or what, compute mean age. Mean age is average. Average, let me repeat, total, I'm interested with the age, and then mean is average, and then show grant total, that is grant average. And then I can add your home format set here, no, report design, and then I can add your label, is called what, age, mean age. Okay, this one you're not asking the question, I click that part. You can apply some formatting here. Sorry, let me come back, this one and this one, then you can arrange the art stuff like that, and then you apply some format. Fill maybe which color, let it be green, and then the color here to be black, pure black, and then I can change the font type to be Arial black, no problem. Let us save. Sorry, over that, yes, report, rename it to be report. Okay, save. This one, rename it to be report, and then okay, save, close. We can run the report to check. Okay, let us just change some things here, this spacing here. Okay, save, close. We can report to you. It is okay. It is very visible. Okay. The next one is what? Now question. Create a query to display the employees and their job description. A query to display employees and job description. Okay. Create query design, employee table, and the table that contains job description is what? Let me check here. It is employment type. Okay, so a display supposed to do what? Create a query to display the employees and their job description. Employees, so it is employee name and job description. Save. We are supposed to say what? Emp type. Okay, we can run this check. It is visible, as you can see. Okay, next one is what? Okay, create a pie chart based on the query in C above to display the proportion of employees in various job description. So create a query, create a pie chart based on the query in A above to display. Create a pie chart based on the query in C above to display the proportion of the employees in the job description. So in this case, this query, I want to create a pie chart. You can only create a pie chart in your report. And then report layout. We move to report design, and then supposed to insert. I'm looking for a given assign, looking for a field here, so that will be used to input our pie chart. Right click first. Okay, I've forgotten. Beside it, and then insert a modern chart. That is okay. And then you're supposed to insert which chart? Create a pie chart based on the query you see above to display the proportion of employees. Pie chart. So we're supposed to insert modern chart, pie chart, pie chart. Insert it here. Select the area. So under pie chart to display the proportion of employees in various job description. So it is coming from query. Which query? The M type, and then the job description to display what first? To display the proportion of employees, not the employees of the job description is the employees name. And then what do we call our chart? Save the report as chart. Save the report as chart. Let me just remove this first. See what I'm interested at. These are the part I delete. It is not necessary right currently, because the question has instructed us to only insert a chart. And then the chart title. Chart title. The chart name is called what? Let us check. M type chart. M type. M type. Just want to rename it. M type chart. Okay. Chart title. This is not necessary in our question. Report view. Just check. Is showing that one. You are required. What else are you instructed to do? Create a pie chart, and then save the report as charts, as a chart. So our report we save as our chart. Okay. Close. The next one is bring the three tables to reports output of the query result. The output, just print, is very simple. Open the table, Control P, open the two reports, Control P, open the query, Control P, the M type. Very simple. Okay, thank you. Subscribe for more.